Welcome. I'm Dr. Kamran Sandhu from Business Management and Research Channel. In today's video, you will learn about the roles of a quality leader. There are several distinct imperatives for managers who desire to be quality leaders that underpin the concept of quality leadership. They must first build a vision. Second, they must act in accordance with the values. Third, they must take the initiative in improving the situation. Let's take a look at each one separately. Establish a vision. Managers must build a vision for their organization in order to be effective quality leaders. Establishing a vision entails both the intellectual and emotional effort of developing it, as well as the interpersonal and managerial work of expressing it to the business and inspiring personnel to embrace it. Jan Carroll, president of the Forum Corporation in Europe and Asia, highlights the visionary role of quality leadership, which she refers to as focus. She feels that most managers are unaware of the importance of a quality vision and their role in achieving it. In a variety of ways, a manager's actions might indicate their devotion to quality-oriented principles. Instead of sending others, they should attend training seminars on various elements of quality. They can improve processes that they have control over, such as strategy planning, capital budgeting through continuous improvement. Perhaps most crucial, they have the financial means to support high quality endeavors, so that TQ does not suffer from same fate as other company concerns. Then comes continuous improvement. Managers can lead continuous improvement in a variety of methods, and which ones makes the most sense will vary depending on the organization. One method that has already been discussed is for leaders to lead by example, aiming to improve the processes that they govern on a continuous basis. Managers can also help organization members pick processes to focus on as a second strategy to lead process improvement. The third method is to motivate people to do something they don't think they can. Motorola set ambitious goals for themselves, including 100-fold reduction in errors per unit of production in every operation in 4 years and a 50% reduction in cycle time per year. Finally, management and leadership. It has been differentiated that leadership from management by contrasting the activities central to each. While management begins with planning and budgeting, leadership begins with setting a direction. Direction setting involves creating a vision of the future as well as a set of approaches for achieving the vision. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Keep watching upcoming videos. Best of luck.